yung pera, sir. Hindi sa mga Rodriguez yung pera. Umulong sila.
Well, you don't do 700,000 na pumis ka sa'yo, tapos tutuloy ka ulit. That means they're doing it for some other people.
Sir, after
Confirm
this,
na ba na, kinancel ng Chinese government yung passports ng mga...
That is not been verified.
Di ba?
Not been verified. That will create an awful lot of problems because anywhere from 200 to 400,000 people may be affected. And some of them might just come here. There are several theories here. Most of these people are from the provinces. They never had it so good here. They never enjoyed the good life here. They have cell phones, hindi na magawa sa China. Sa status symbol there, I understand, they can do all sorts of things here that they cannot do in China. So you will have another problem like we did in the 50s, when you had a lot of Taiwanese come to the Philippines, and there were a lot of them, by the hundreds of thousands that stayed here.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.